Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really excited because we are going to create another beautiful DIY craft together. If you love easy handmade projects, home decor ideas and creative recycling, then video is just for you. So let's get started. Today we are going to transform a simple glass bottle into a beautiful decorative piece using jute rope. This project is easy, budget friendly and perfect for beginners. First, make sure your bottle is clean and completely dry. A clean surface helps the glue stick better than give your craft a neat finish. Now apply a small amount of glue at the bottom of the bottle and carefully attach the end of the jute rope. Start wrapping slowly around the bottle. Keep each layer close together so there is no gaps. Continue wrapping while adding glue little by little. There no need to rush. The more carefully you wrap the rope, the more beautiful the final result will be. As the bottle gets covered, you see how an old unused bottle turns into a stylish home decor item. That's the magic of DIY crafting, something beautiful from something simple. Once the empty bottle is covered, press the rope gently with your fingers and let the glue dry completely. Now it's time to decorate. You can use lace, pearls, artificial flowers, ribbons, beads, or any decoration you like. You can design your bottle in your own style and make it completely unique. This beautiful bottle can be used as a flower vase, table decoration, shelf decor, room accessory, and even the handmade gift for your family and friends. One of the best things about DIY craft is that they help us recycle old items while creating something beautiful. It's creative, relaxing, and enjoyable for people all of the age. I would love to know your bottle turn into out. If you make craft, let me know in the comment what color or decoration you use, and if you have any ideas for your future DIY videos, don't hesitate to share them with me. I enjoy reading your suggestions. Now I have a small request to all my amazing viewers. If you're enjoying this video, please support my channel by liking this video, share it with your friends and subscribing it you had not already. Every single like, comment and subscription motivate me to create more creative content for you. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me your name and where you are watching from, because in the next video I'll do some of your comment and give special shout out by mentioning your name. So make sure your comment, you might hear your name in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching, spending your time with me. Your love and support truly means the world to me. I am so happy to have you as a part of this amazing crafting family. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY jute bottle craft and found it helpful. Next video, keep creating, keep smiling, stay inspired, and see you all in the next video with another fun and creative project. Thank you for being part of my creative journey. Your support inspires me to bring new DIY ideas in every video. Every craft being a simple idea, but with a little creative and passion, it turned into something truly beautiful. And how are you, friends? I hope you're all good. I hope you enjoyed this today jute bottle craft and found it helpful. That is for today's DIY craft. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing DIY crafts. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me your name and where you are from watching, because in my next video I'll choose your name in your comments and I will give a special shout out mentioning your name. So make sure your comment here could be featured in the upload. Thank you so much for your watching. Thank you so much for watching. Your love and support, it truly means the world to me. Until next time, keep creating, keep smiling, keep crafting, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.